21 Cummins is still strapped to the dyno. Why? Because we have not hit that 700 rear-wheel horsepower, and we are gonna hit it. If you missed last week, check out the video here. We bolted on the brand new 72mm forced induction turbocharger. We're a little shy of that 700 horsepower, but you gotta check out the video. Now we're moving on. You guys got to see a brand new CNC prototype fast bracket we've been working on to make our install easier, and hey, we got a CNC, we wanna be proud of something, so we put it on this truck. Once we finish up on the full build, the turbo system will be powder coated, fast bracket will be powder coated. You jump on our Instagram page and check it out there. Now here's the big picture. Can you just bolt on one simple under $1,000 part and gain tremendous amount of horsepower? Can we get to 700 horsepower with a Fass Fuel System, a stock CP3, and a 72mm turbocharger? I think we can get pretty damn close. So guys, there's only one way to figure it out. It's dyno time. That's my girl. That's my bitch. That's my girl. She likes load. That's my girl. Man, you hear when it comes on? Boom. Just hook it. It likes the load. She got cool a minute. 2 minutes. Man. Just coming off the dyno, the 21 Cummins laid down 590 rear-wheel horsepower. Felt like the truck had a little bit more in it, so we loaded the dyno harder. If we load it harder, the truck will put out more power if the fuel's there. Guess what? This truck laid down 614 rear-wheel horsepower. Under $1,000 Fass Fuel System, we bolted on this truck, picked us up roughly 50 rear-wheel horsepower. The best bang for the buck yet. Guys, last week we dropped a lot of fuel pressure, high pressure fuel. This week, not so much, but the high pressure fuel is now the big kicker in the fuel system, and we've got to put something on there that's going to get the job done to hit that 700 horsepower mark. Taking you back to the beginning, put a forced induction, 67mm turbocharger, 600 horsepower on the dot. We upgraded to a forced induction, 72mm turbocharger. We dropped power. We were lacking fuel pressure. We made 566. Here today, made 614 with a Fass Fuel System and a 72mm turbocharger. Now, no excuses. We got the Fleece 10 mil. We're about to install. It's good for 800. We're 90 horsepower away. Can we do it on the stock OEM 21 Cummins Dodge injectors? how warm she is, because I'm gonna let her cool down while we're gathering our balls. Trying, she's warm. She didn't run out of fuel. This bitch you get it. She sounds vicious. Taking a look at the graph, what the 21 Cummins lay down, 648 rural horsepower and 1,085 foot-pounds of torque. Are we impressed with this truck? Hell yes. This dude put out 50 pounds of boost. We commanded 29,000 pounds of pressure. The high pressure pump did its job. The low pressure pump did its job. We're calling it a day. We put up that big giant 700 rural horsepower because who the hell wants to hear about 600, right? We want 700 horsepower. We got a 72 millimeter turbocharger on there. Let's set the record high. We didn't hit it. Hey, we're gonna make it through the day. We still have stock injectors in the truck. We know if we upgraded those, yeah, there's some more ponies to pick up, right? We got enough air. Here's the big picture when we finished up with this dyno run. We know what pulse width we were commanding out of those injectors, but the data's just not there. We do not know if the truck's going full fuel. We heard it, we've seen the boost, we've seen the rail pressure, but no excuses here. 648, we're calling it a day. But we do want to hear from you guys. If you have a 21 Cummins, not a 19, not a 20 with an overdriven CP3, CP4, a 21, you've got a low pressure pump, a high pressure pump, we've got a 10 mil, and a big single turbocharger, make for sure, drop us a comment below. We want to hear about the numbers you guys put out. Next up, we're getting this kit off. We're sending it all to powder coat. Maybe I can sweet talk Jeremy into putting a 76. I really want it on there because I really want to hit that 700 rural horsepower. But he said, Tyson, call it a day. PBP out. See you next week.